Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to enable location permissions on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This process is simple and ensures you can share your location when using the platform. To get started, open X in your preferred web browser. Once the website has loaded, look at the top of your screen near the web address. You'll notice an icon that looks like a padlock or View Site Information. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu displaying various site settings. Next, locate and select Site Settings from the menu. This action will redirect you to a page where you can manage permissions for X. On this page, find the section labeled Location. You'll see an option to adjust how X interacts with your location data. To enable location permissions, simply click on Allow next to the location setting. By doing this, you're granting X permission to access your location while using the platform. Once this step is complete, your preferences will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully enabled location permissions for X on your PC. This feature allows you to enhance your experience by sharing location-based content when desired. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy exploring X with your updated settings.